Guys, so Kathy's got a new truck. So this is her here, and 2007 Ford Escape. Picked it up really cheap for her because her Mistique is a big mistake. So teaching her how to do a wheel bearing, and gonna press out that lower ball joint. Right?
Oh yeah.
You like your new truck?
I have a Ford.
The Ford. Because this one's like shot, or well, her Mistake is shot. And this one's like really nice. Like really nice. Huh?
Better than what we expected.
Yep. So, still got the hatches. Like, this all clean up. But it's all there. Had to put my sticker on. It's a beautiful truck, like amazing shape, no engine lights. It's got 200,000 kilometers on it. The only problem is that bearing and the ball joint. This side, the ball joint's already been replaced. The bearing cost us like 50 bucks, and we're gonna go get a ball joint. She's doing a good job. Well, you got most of the stuff off yourself.
There was a few bolts that were a bit too tight.
Yep. So I've still yet to check because I bought the truck. Oh, I hate using it. This is the first time using a phone. Well, actually not the first. Every other time I've screwed it up. I gotta get one of those selfie sticks. Dudes, I'll have videos all the time, but because my camera's had the biscuit.
You gotta check that one wet hose.
Yeah, never mind that. But anyway, you'll never guess what we paid for it. Well, what I paid for it.
I give you the money minutes later.
Yeah. But in total 800 and okay, so 825 plus 30. So 855, 857 to be exact. 857 bucks. And it's mint. It's like amazing shape. Amazing shape. She's spoiled.
Just as my car is about to fall apart. The
Yeah.
duct tape just won't hold.
Oh yeah. Bearings humming like a son of a in her Mistake. Yep. Little 3-liter. Check the fluids. Oil is clear as can be. Transmission doesn't smell burnt. Got a high pressure power steering line that seems to be leaking a bit. That's no big deal. I think we're down on fluid because of the leak. Can't see. Yeah, the fluid's low on that. Probably somebody using the wrong shit. But, you know, do a high pressure line on that. And other than that, it's dusty, but well kept. Like filter, air filter, absolutely spotless. Like dust on the motor, right? So you know they kept getting their oil changes and filter changes on time. But yeah, like beautiful, eh? So
My Ford.
the Ford. Got the Ford. But yeah, cheers guys. As soon as I get one of those selfie phone holder sticks, will be gold. Well, she's a Ford. She's an absolute Ford. You'll always be a Ford chick, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, cheers guys. And here comes Kathy in her new car. She's all done. The lower ball joint pressed in. Wheel bearing. Yes. That looks good. Ready for safety. And you'll be driving her right soon.
Boy, the Mistake kills me.
Yep. She escaped the Mistake. The Mercury Mistique. So she escaped the Mistake.
It was a good pun.
What's that?
I said it was.
It was a good pun. It was too.
Even your kid laughed.
So yeah, she's all done. No clunking. She's got some nice pep to her. So I'm gonna send her in for safety and get her on the road. Not bad.
And then hope I don't kill anybody while I'm getting
Just
used to
a
driving it.
yeah, got a little over $1,000 into it. So pretty damn good. Sweet. Alrighty guys, I had to clean up this heck hole and well, figure out what to do next. Cheers.